Welcome back to my channel where we will delve into all things academics and productivity. Today I'm going to share with you the key steps to creating a personalized study routine that will help you maximize your learning potential and achieve those A grades you've been studying for. Step 1. Assess your current schedule. The first step in creating a personalized study routine is to assess your current schedule. Take a close look at your daily commitments and responsibilities and identify pockets of time that can be dedicated to studying. By understanding your current schedule, you can better plan how to allocate your study time effectively. Step 2. Set clear goals. Next, it is important to set clear goals for your study routine. Define what you want to achieve, whether it's mastering a difficult subject or improving your overall GPA. Setting specific, measurable goals will help you stay focused and motivated throughout your study sessions. Step 3. Establish a study environment. Creating a conducive study environment is crucial for staying focused and productive. Find a quiet, well-lit space where you can work without distractions. Make sure you have all the necessary supplies such as textbooks, notebooks, and stationery within arm's reach to minimize interruptions. Step 4. Develop a study schedule. Now, it's time to develop a study schedule that aligns with your goals and fits into your daily routine. Consider your peak learning times and allocate your most challenging tasks during those periods. Break down your study sessions into manageable chunks with short breaks in between to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Step 5. Stay organized and stay consistent. Finally, to make your personalized study routine a success, it's essential to stay organized and consistent. Use a planner or digital calendar to track your study sessions and monitor your progress towards your goals. Remember, consistency is key to achieving long-term academic success. By following these steps and tailoring your study routine to suit your unique needs and preferences, you'll be on your way to becoming a more efficient and more effective learner. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on creating your personalized study routine today and watch as your grades and academic performance soar to new heights. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on academic success.